In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take photos without touching a screen on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app, and normally to take a picture, all we have to do is just tap at that button. Just like that. However, in some cases, maybe you are in gloves and maybe also you are holding your device like that, and it is not comfortable to you to press at that button with your thumb, and maybe you can't use another hand to do that. Now I'm gonna show you a simple trick how we can easily make photos without touching a screen. Basically, guys, that's really simple. All we have to do is just tap at volume up or volume down button to take a picture, just like so. The same about selfies. We can switch to the frontal camera, and then we can hold our device in that way. Then we can look into camera, and then by tapping at volume up or volume down button, we can easily take photos of ourselves. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.